Number 6 reason is still related to number 4. Number 5 is yung mga signature natin. So just like with banks and any other legal documents, dapat yung signature natin is consistent. Pareho nung pinirma sa bangko, pareho yung pinirma mo sa SSS, pareho yung pinirma mo sa birth certificate, and all the other legal documents na pinipirmahan mo. Sometimes it makes a huge difference kung ma-approve ka o hindi dahil lang sa inconsistency ng signature. So please take note of that. Another possible reason is yung Mami is nag-deliver ng CS pero hindi na-submit yung operating room record. Napaka-critical pala nun. This never happened to us, kaya nga we're here discussing yung mga kung paano namin nakuha easily yung ating yung maternity benefit. Pero as you probably realize by now, yung maliliit na bagay na yun can affect yung supposed to be proper benefit na makukuha mo. Just ensure that you have a list of all the requirements, you have coordinated properly with SSS or with your HR, ano ba talaga yung mga mahalagang documents para maiingatan mo siya. And if ever wala pa naman siya sa'yo, then you can ask the hospital right away kasi one missed document and could mean delay or even being denied with your benefit.